Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and this is the twice a year, the Witch's Box, well, usually twice a year, the Witch's Box comes out with a mystery box, roughly April and October, roughly. And so I actually bought this like in late February, early March. As you guys know, I'm catching up because my life has been crazy. I know people absolutely love to know what's in these mystery boxes. It varies. Obviously, they're trying to clear out their warehouse to make room for new cool stuff for their subscription box. But let's see what we got. My knife is dull. All right. Oh, goodness. Oh, so cute. All right, let's see. Gift, natural plants, flower sticker. Looks like lavender. Very cool. Dried flower, pet large size sticker, and a gift card. Very interesting. And then we got another one. We've got, I'm not sure what I'm looking at. I'm not sure what plant. Maybe you guys know what plant this is. So I got another flower sticker. Very interesting. I love the Book of Shadows artwork pages because I collect them. Some of them I do have duplicates of, in which case you'll see that on my next yard sale. I actually save all these little, I absolutely love paper products. So let's look at them. We got Rose. Love Alignment Mantra Ritual. Rose of Jericho plant. Sigil Creation sheet. Very cool. Got a few of those. Quite a few of those we'll put in your Book of Shadows. Rose quartz. Sea bean, sea heart. I think I have one. Quartz. Oh, dandelion. Love it. Rosemary. Almost certain I have this one. Salt. Aaron the Tarot. Very cool. Very, very cool. So let me just clip them back together. And that's actually a bigger project because I'll go live here in a little bit and show you guys what I'm working with. Okay, so I came prepared and I have my Dilly Bob bag over here to try and get these Dilly Bobs out of the way instead of just digging and digging through them. All right. Catnip, which I have a ton of, so I'll probably pass that on. Dandelion. I'm not sure how much dandelion I have, so we'll have to look into that. Whoa, I went through a phase where I just absolutely divinely loved washi tape. I mean, oh my gosh, guys, I collected it. But these ones are really, 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 really cute. Okay, let me see if I got, oh, here's another one. That way we can go through them all together. Okay, because some of them are duplicates. So we got, which is like little backpacks. Little travel here. We got this, which is like stars and zodiac, so that's really cool. This is like a really pretty iridescence. This one's like little moons and swords. Cool, cool. Satellite looks like. Saturn and such. This one's really pretty. So how might you use these? For me, I use them a lot in my Bujo, but for my Book of Shadows, I would mark like specific pages that I wanted to go back to on the side. I would mark them. Like, for example, in the beginning or in periods, I put like all the planetary movements for like the next 3 or 4 months, and then I put an edging on it so that you know that's where it is to come back to. I do that for lunar phases, my card of the year, things where I did like a particularly meaningful reading, when I did a huge workup on correspondences or something. That's usually how I would mark. But some people use it like to delineate space, junk journaling, all sorts of different uses. So this one is just kind of like pretty simple. And then I got 2 of these lovely ones, which is like really pretty. They're just really, really cute. Love that. Not expecting that. I don't even know what box that would have come from, but very, very cool. All right, let's gather a little more of these little dealy bobbers. All right, what do we, oh, one more. It's a duplicate of that other one. Okay, what do we got in this black satin bag? Feels like a deck. It feels like a deck. It's a blank deck. A blank deck. You could write anything on here. Very cool. Assuming it's to make your own oracle. Very, very cool. Love that. All right, what do we got here? We have natural lodestones. Very cool. A sea bean for my sea bean spell. Love it. Acorns. I'll probably pass these on though. Let's be real, guys. My son went through a phase where he gathered acorns for me, and I still have them in boxes everywhere. A buffalo tooth. Cool. I do collect bones and corpses and body parts. So I love that. We've got some, so Venus. Very cool. We got a Rose of Jericho here. I have quite a few of them, so that will probably find a home. Got a Prosperity Bath Kit. Love it. Very cool. Book. Love getting books, especially books I don't have, and I do not have. The Morgan. Looks like a big, giant Alta-Cloth. And then, oh, I have this book, but that means I'll probably resell it to you guys, because I know when I saw all of these books, I collected the whole series. I have all 4, but this is really cool. Excellent. I love their book box. If I was going to get a box, another box. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love feathers. But obviously I have a surplus of feathers, as I have a surplus of birds. But not red. I don't have any red birds. A little tiny bit worn. Let's look at this. Nice for one little working or spell. And then what do we have? We have a journal here. And that's the last item. So that whole box was the mystery box from March, April of this year. We've got herbs, we've got Book of Shadow pages, we've got washi tapes, we've got lodestones, feathers, books, altar cloths, lots and lots of stuff. Excellent value. Very, very cool. Just box of witchcraft. Can't recommend it enough. I will get one in October for sure. So as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon.